Normal routine with a dog. Always wiping off feet. Because when your dog gets out of the truck stop to go to the bathroom,
she steps in the other dog's poop.
She steps in the other dog's poop. You heard it straight from the source, folks. And not to mention, not all truck drivers, but some truck drivers are very lazy. And when they park their trucks, they pee in the parking lot. You can smell it during a good warm day. How was the experience, honey?
Gosh, we got a fat dog. That's all I can say.
This dog eats lots and lots of French fries, roast beefs. What else do you eat? Flea bag. Hey, flea licker. What else do you eat? Cheeseburgers, pizza, jalapeno poppers. I gave her a jalapeno popper one time. She crapped a fireball.
Are you gonna eat these?
You eat anything and everything.
I'm not eating them. I'm gonna.
Okay.
If I get a trash bag.
She also eats. What else she eat? Lettuce, tomatoes,
Green peppers.
green peppers, cucumbers,
Celery with ranch.
celery with ranch, pickles. Really, she'll eat anything we will.